This isn't just a 350Z, it's the first year track edition with Brembo brakes, a screaming 3.5 LV6, and only 36,000 miles on the clock. Get ready to experience one of the most rare, thrilling, and collectible Japanese sports cars ever made. And trust me, you've never seen one like this in red. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving into a true automotive gem, the 2003 Nissan 350Z Track Edition. Now, this isn't just any 350Z. This is the first year of the 350Z, a model that redefined Japanese performance in the early 2000s. And this particular example is the kind of car that makes collectors and enthusiasts alike stop in their tracks. With only 36,363 actual miles, pristine condition, and an array of factory performance upgrades, this car isn't just a car, it's a piece of modern performance history. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the legendary 3.5 LDOHC V6 engine, Nissan's iconic VQ35DE, which delivers smooth, high-revving power in a package that's both reliable and thrilling. Coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission and a factory-style shifter, this Track Edition provides an immersive driving experience that no automatic can match. Every gear change feels precise, every rev screams excitement, and every moment behind the wheel reminds you why this car became a modern classic so quickly. And speaking of performance, Nissan didn't hold back on the Track Edition. This car comes equipped with factory-upgraded Brembo brakes, giving you superb stopping power to match its spirited acceleration. These aren't your everyday brakes, these are performance-grade Brembos designed to handle the kind of driving that makes your pulse race. The factory rear axle ensures that the power is delivered cleanly to the road, while Nissan forged 18-inch wheels wrapped in Champiro UHP tires complete the package, providing grip and style in equal measure. Now, let's talk about the visuals, because the 350Z Track Edition doesn't just perform, it demands attention. This one is finished in a vibrant red exterior, a color that perfectly captures the car's sporty essence. Every curve, from the sculpted hood to the aggressive rear haunches, is designed to convey speed, even when it's standing still. And step inside and you'll find a black cloth interior with red piping, a combination that's both understated and striking, giving the cabin a sporty yet refined atmosphere. Nissan kept it functional too, with air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, power brakes, anti-theft system, and airbags, so you get all the modern conveniences without compromising the raw driving experience. But here's what really sets this car apart: its rarity and history. Being the first year 350Z Track Edition means you're looking at a model that launched a new era for Nissan Z cars. These cars came straight from the factory with performance enhancements that enthusiasts crave, and this one's combination of low mileage, original upgrades, and meticulous care makes it a standout example. It's the kind of car that will turn heads at every car meet, from the casual observer to the seasoned collector. Let's talk about the driving experience, because this is where the 350Z truly shines. Push the clutch, shift into first, and you're greeted with a responsive throttle and the intoxicating sound of a naturally aspirated V6. The steering is precise, the chassis feels planted, and every curve you take reminds you that this car was engineered with driver engagement in mind. And with Brembos providing confidence-inspiring braking, you can attack corners without hesitation, knowing this car was built to deliver joy at every turn. Even today, over 20 years since its debut, the 350Z Track Edition holds its own against modern performance cars. It's a reminder that driving isn't just about speed, it's about connection, emotion, and the thrill of control. Cars like this don't just get from point A to B, they create memories, spark passion, and remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. Now, for those of you wondering about value, this example is priced at $21,995, which is incredibly reasonable considering its condition, mileage, and rarity. For a car that is collector-ready, fully equipped with factory performance upgrades, and still entirely original, this is a smart investment for any enthusiast. Whether you're looking for a weekend track toy, a classic daily driver, or a car to cherish in your collection, the 2003 Nissan 350Z Track Edition delivers performance, style, and history in one irresistible package. So if you love cars, if you love performance, if you love driving experiences that make your heart race and your soul smile, this 350Z Track Edition is exactly the kind of car you need to experience. Every glance, every shift, every turn reminds you that this isn't just a car, it's a legend reborn for a modern era. All right, that's it for today's deep dive into the 2003 Nissan 350Z Track Edition. If you enjoyed this cinematic walkthrough, smash that like button, subscribe for more exclusive automotive content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments, would you take this Track Edition to the track or keep it pristine in your garage? Either way, this is a car that will make any enthusiast's heart skip a beat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, because here we don't just show cars, we celebrate them.